One of the things I do is I put my bags in here. So we have our bags in here, put the engine covers here. We have some other miscellaneous items in here for the airplane. And then I just make sure that I separate this. We only have one passenger today, so I know we're not going to take up all the space in here. So I'm just going to secure all this baggage in here, keep it contained. And this is mine and our co-pilot. These clips are pretty easy to operate. You can cinch them down if you need to, tighten them up, they rotate. That's good there. Turn off this light. And if you shut the door, forget to turn off the light automatically goes out. Contain this, otherwise it gets caught in the door. We're going to take this outside and we'll open it up once we get outside. I just don't want to tow it while it's open.